Volcano! Welcome back to Aiden's Adventures. And today, me and Mason are going to be doing... Erupting Volcano! Ah! I'm dying. Yeah, and this is how you make it. You just need some baking soda, some orange soap, and vinegar. And food coloring, red, to make red food coloring. And you need this for the volcano. Let's do it. And at the end, Mason wants to pour all the vinegar into here. We'll see. It's a diaper. Oh, he thinks it's like a diaper. Okay, let's get some baking soda. Mason, put it back down. And oh, just be careful. Go in. Ah! Be careful not to spill. Get a little bit more. It looks like baby proof. Let's get a little bit of soap. It looks like baby proof. Some soap. And now we'll say cake. Happy birthday to you. It's not cake. It's not cake. Okay, let's put about 5. Let's do 7 actually.
Why are you making it red?
To make it to lava. To make it red lava. It looks like whoa, that's all it looks like 5 duty. Now let's move all this. Hey guys, it looks like red 5 duty. Okay, here comes the vinegar. Okay, we have to pour it in slowly. Whoa! Now let's try this. Whoa! Now Mason wants to try something. Wait, oh boy! Okay, let's pour it in. Pour all this in. More vinegar. Okay, can you pour some more vinegar in here? Can you pour some more vinegar in here? Pour a little bit more. Mason, you don't need to. It turned into bubbles. Okay. Okay, let's get more vinegar. Come on, we need more. And can I boil it? And can I put in the vinegar? Oh, that's a lot of vinegar. Can I put in the vinegar? Whoa. Pour it all in. Whoa! Do it. He wants to do it again. Let's do it. What? Let's do it again. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Okay, we'll just do this again. He wants to do it again. He likes this. Oh, it's okay. Okay, can I try this time? Yeah. Whoa! Oh. Wait, now let's mix it. Be careful not to spill. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And we're going to keep on playing this. And until next time, bye. Mason, say bye. Bye. Bye.